Now, what is the history, how it is developed? The very first edition of the classification, that is a European Convention on the International Classification of Patents, it was in 1954. So, way back in 1954 it is started, and what we can say, it is a European Convention on the International Classification of Patents, okay, for invention, 1954. Now, following that, the signing of a Strasbourg agreement, the international, what we can say, the International Classification of Patents for Invention, that had been published on September 1, 1968. So, it is started back in 1954, and after Strasbourg agreement, the International Classification of Patents for Invention published on 1st September 1968, okay, and this is called as a first edition of a classification, that is in 1968. Now, since then the classification has been periodically revised, because as technology is developing, it is taken into consideration, and that technological classification is periodically revised. And now currently we are using 8th edition of a IPC that come into existence in 2006. So, that is the 8th edition we are using now. So, this is what in short the history of the IPC started in 1954, and now the 8th edition is going on.